Okay, before we get into our AI Keno numbers, check out what our cameraman accidentally did on the other side of the casino. He pushed the wrong button and got this 7 out of 9. Let's hope it stays that lucky, huh? Okay, let's move on to our first bonus round. Okay, the AI Keno numbers are there for you to copy. These lucky AI Keno numbers are from Google Bard AI. Don't forget to subscribe now for more lucky AI Keno numbers. All right, let's see how we do with these free AI Keno numbers. Okay, the bet is 10, the coin is 5. 9 plays in, a little bit of a slow start. Come on, Cleo. All right, we'll take the 3 out of 7. Gotta do better than that. Let's go. 5 more plays to go. All right, 3 out of 7. Last play coming up. Okay, the bonus round was 40 credits. Let's see what got us here. I don't know. Yes, we did improve our winnings. 5 out of 7 got us here with a little help from the AI Keno numbers. Okay, let's change it up a little bit to another set of AI Keno numbers and see if we can do just a little bit better. Let's take a look. Okay, let's go with the upper right AI Keno numbers and also stay with my Doghouse Keno numbers. Subscribe and join the YouTube AI Keno community. Okay, let's see if we can get more credits on this next bonus round. Let's take a look. Okay, 10 is the max bet. The coin is 5. All right, normal start for us, 3 out of 7. Now that is a good way to start. Ah, this is even better. Absolutely. 5 out of 7. Outstanding. 6 more plays to go. Yeah, we'll take a whole bunch of those. Maybe even another 5 out of 7. Okay. 3 out of 7. Another one. Oh, what the heck. Let's get another one. Last play coming up. 340 credits for the bonus round. Let's see what got us here. Okay. It was a 3 out of 7 for a total of 350 credits. All right, we certainly got more credits. Listen up. AI Keno numbers and the Doghouse numbers are winners. Subscribe and join the AI Keno community for more free AI Keno numbers. Beginners, AI Keno strategies, advice, hacks, and free AI Keno numbers in these 2 videos. You need to watch another video, and thanks for watching this video. See you next week.